Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to enable voice chat on Roblox app. So first of all, let's open this application. So guys, there are few things to do before enabling voice chat on Roblox mobile, and it will make your task very easy, and it helps you to use this application faster using Roblox or using voice chat on Roblox mobile app. So guys, there are few things to do, so just watch the full complete video without skipping and you will get the idea. So first of all guys, when you have to make sure that you have sign up in this application. So when you sign up in this application, you must have mention your date of birth. So make sure you have mentioned the correct date of birth, because it will ask you to verify your date of birth. So first of all, just go to this setting option. First of all, click on this three dot at the bottom, and now go to this setting option. Fine. When we go to setting, just go to this account info. When we click on this, now many option will be appear here. So it will ask you to add phone number, it will ask you to add email address, but to enable voice chat you have to verify your age. So when you click on verify my age, make sure you have entered the correct date of birth. Now first of all, you have to enter your email address. When you enter your email address, it will ask you to upload any identity card. So you have to take image both side of the id card. So id card must have your photo. So it will ask it will help them to verify your age and your identity. So once you verify your identity, because it's due to the privacy, I can't tell you the whole process, because guys, it is a very easy steps. Just verify your age, and when you verify your age, when you enter your email id email address, it will ask you to upload the image of your voter id card of both side, or any id card that has a photo. So once you verify your age, now you have to go back, and now you have to click on this privacy tab. When you click on this privacy tab, or once you verify your age, now here the option, here the voice chat enable option will be appear above the account restriction. You just need to toggle the button, enable the button. So you just need to toggle this button and your voice chat will be enabled. Fine. So this is a very easy step. Just make sure that you have to basically verify your age to enable voice chat on Roblox mobile. Fine. So that's the step to enable voice chat on Roblox mobile. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.